And welcome back. So we started off the day with a good amount of sunshine. We clouded up as we made our way through the day, but winds were mainly from a south or southeasterly direction, so it really warmed us up once again. Average highs this time of year at 86 degrees, and we were well above that at 95 for your high at North Platte, 96 at Ogallala and Imperial, 94 at Lexington, closer to 90 your high at Thedford and at Broken Bow. Here's a look at the current temperature. So we're still near 80 at Ogallala. The cool spot at Valentine at 72, currently into the mid-70s. North Platte, Broken Bow, Lexington, Imperial, and at Thedford. So there's your winds flipping around from a southerly direction earlier today to more of a easterly flow. Wind speeds right now between 10 and 15 miles per hour, maybe some stronger gusts. It's increasing the humidity. Here's a look at the dew points. We've made it into the mid-60s out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. That's getting pretty humid. Lower 60s, a little sticky out there from North Platte out toward Thedford, drier as you make your way further off to the west. Also, we had that increase in the humidity with that easterly wind, also an increase in the cloud cover. So partly cloudy skies. North Platte points off to the south and east, but mostly cloudy skies as you move from Ogallala north of Mullen into Cherry County. And we're tracking some showers and thunderstorms making their way through the panhandle. So the easterly flow producing a little bit of moisture, especially into the western portion of the state. So we will see how long this will hold together and see if it can actually reach some of our western counties with just a little bit of moisture. So we're on the tail end of this frontal boundary right here. That low has moved off to the east since yesterday. There's another one in the deep south. And this is the division line between the cooler air up north, this high pressure off to our south, still in charge of our forecast, giving us a strong southerly wind. Lots of sunshine also. So this system is going to exit. As we finish out the work week, we're going to have another high start to approach. And we will keep a good amount of sunshine in our forecast, but the chances of moisture will also increase. So going through the overnight, keeping a good amount of cloud cover, lows in the low to mid-60s. And for the day tomorrow, partly cloudy to even mostly cloudy skies at times. There's your wind mainly from a southerly direction, but even under the clouds, we're going to have highs near 95 degrees as we go through the day on Saturday, starting off in the upper 60s. So another mild start to the day, and we will keep a good amount of sunshine as we go through the day. Highs will be mainly into the upper 80s, maybe some lower 90s. Our models are trying to paint a line of thunderstorms. This was more impressive earlier today, but this actually, Saturday night, is the best chance of actually having some moisture as we finish out the weekend. More high pressure will work its way in, and we will continue to have temperatures into the upper 80s to lower 90s. That southerly flow is still there. This is by Sunday night. Now we got this low, it's going to track off to the north, so we're going to keep a bunch of slight chances of some showers and thunderstorms, about 20, maybe 30% as we go through next week, and cooler air is on the way. But temperatures still are not really going to be that bad for this time of year. So here's the forecast for tonight: partly cloudy skies, and it's going to be a mild overnight in some areas, low to mid-60s. Tomorrow's forecast shows partly cloudy skies, breezy and hot. High temperatures in the low to mid-90s, and then partly cloudy skies, chance of some showers and thunderstorms by Saturday night after reaching highs into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Now, extending the forecast for Sunday, we're going to keep the rain chances around 20%, 94 your high, and Monday mostly sunny up to 87. Then temperatures fall back into the mid-80s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So there's your cooler air, and then partly cloudy skies with a slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms as we make our way through mid to late next week. Melanie?
Maybe a little bit of rain might peek into our area.
Well, hopefully we can use some rain, so we'll see what we can do next week.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And signatures on the medical marijuana petitions are getting a second look. The Nebraska Examiner reports the Nebraska Secretary of State's office has agreed to look at